Next topic from the pericyclic reaction is orbital symmetry correlation diagram or conservation of orbital symmetry. Example is 1,3-butadiene is converting to cyclobutene, where 1,3-butadiene has 2 pi bonds, but in the cyclobutene one new sigma bond and one new pi bond is developed. First point of this method, orbital symmetry correlation method based on principle of conservation of symmetric molecular orbitals. According to this principle, molecular orbitals of reactants are transformed into molecular orbitals of products of same symmetry elements. And this method was proposed by Woodwards and Hoffman, where conservation means maintaining same symmetry elements. And the reactants are converting to products through cyclic transition state, and in concerted reaction, reactant, transition state and products possess the same symmetry element. We have some guidelines for the orbital symmetry correlation. They are: show molecular orbitals of reactant and product according to their energy order, and classify the molecular orbitals of reactant and product by selecting suitable symmetry elements such as symmetric and antisymmetric. Match the reactants and product of same symmetry characteristics of element is called symmetry correlation. And one more rule is non-crossing rule. In correlation of molecular orbitals of reactant and product, lower energy molecular of reactant should be matched with lower energy of molecular orbital of product of same symmetry characteristic. By leaving lower energy molecular orbitals, higher energy molecular orbitals of product should not be correlated. Here, symmetry elements of reactant should be matched with products symmetry elements, but energy levels of reactants are need not matching with products energy levels. The reactant molecular orbital matching with product molecular orbital. The reactant molecular orbital matching with product molecular orbital. So same symmetry elements. And reactant molecular orbital matching with product molecular orbital. So they have same symmetric element in both reactants and products of the molecular orbitals. Correlation of molecular orbitals at ground state, thermally allowed and photochemically forbidden. Correlation of molecular orbitals at first excited state, photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. And one more point, correlation among bonding molecular orbitals of reactants and product, ground state correlation, antibonding molecular orbital to antibonding molecular orbital, bonding molecular orbital to bonding molecular orbital. Correlation among bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals in first excited state, they have bonding molecular orbital to antibonding molecular orbital correlation, and bonding molecular orbital to antibonding molecular orbital correlation for the first excited state, photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. So these are the guidelines for the correlation of symmetric orbitals. Next is electrocyclization reactions, orbital correlation diagram. So table form. If the molecule having 4n electron system, conrotation thermally allowed, disrotation photochemically allowed. If it is 4n plus 2 electron system, disrotation is thermally allowed, conrotation is photochemically allowed. Suppose for the 4n system, in con mode of electrocyclization, 1,3-butadiene develops one new pi bond, one new sigma bond. In con mode of electrocyclization, C2 symmetry maintained throughout the reaction. Therefore, orbitals should be classified based on C2 symmetry elements. Now, we are writing the orbitals for the 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene has 4 sp2 carbons In earlier classes we discussed 1,3-butadiene has 4 sp2 carbons. So therefore it maintains 4 molecular orbital, Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, Psi4. First molecular orbital is represented by Psi1, second is Psi2, third is Psi3, fourth one is Psi4. In Kahn rotation, the symmetry element is C2. Psi1 is antisymmetric, Psi2 is symmetric, Psi3 is antisymmetric, and Psi4 is symmetric. It is ground state electronic configuration. But in the first excited state configuration means when it gives the energy to the ground state molecule, it excites to higher energy level. In the ground state configuration, Psi1 has 2 electrons, Psi2 has 2 electrons. But in the first excited state, same sigma bond having 2 electrons and Psi1 has 2 electrons. You see, it is sigma star. The bonding, new sigma bond will be formed at the termini of the carbons 1,3-butadiene sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbital. In Psi1 molecular orbital, bonding interaction is developed. One new sigma bond. It is bonding molecular orbital. Sigma bonding molecular orbital. Sigma bonding molecular orbital. Sigma star bonding molecular orbital. Pi bonding molecular orbital. Pi star anti-bonding molecular orbital. Psi2 is pi star anti-bonding molecular orbital. Sigma star is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Sigma bonding molecular orbital, where the ground state configuration Psi1 2, Psi2 2, Psi3 0, Psi4 0. But in the first excited state, sigma 2, sigma bond bonding molecular orbital 2 electrons, Psi1 2, Psi3 0, sigma star is 0. Therefore, it is thermally yellowed and photochemically forbidden for the ground state configuration for the Kahn rotation. If we take disrotation for the same molecule, so we have these types of molecular orbital: reactant molecular orbitals, product molecular orbitals. So first molecular orbital Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, Psi4. Disrotation. At the termini, one is clockwise direction, another is at anti-clockwise direction. In this mode of rotation, the symmetry element is sigma. Sigma means plane of symmetry. Psi1 has S, Psi2 has A, Psi3 has S, Psi4 has A. In the molecular orbitals, S, S, A, A. The correlation for the Psi2, Psi3, same symmetry elements for the reactant side and the product side. But in the ground state configuration, Psi1 has 2 electrons, Psi2 has 1 electron, Psi3 has 1 electron. But in the disrotation of product side molecular orbital, sigma bonding molecular orbital having 2 electrons, pi bonding molecular orbital Psi1 that is having only 1 electron, and pi star anti-bonding pi molecular orbital Psi2 having 1 electron. In this mode of electrocyclization, the sigma symmetry maintained throughout the reaction. Orbital should be classified based on plane of symmetry. So we have bonding and anti-bonding manner of the sigma bond atomic orbital. Ground state configuration Psi1 2, Psi2 1, Psi3 1, Psi4 0. But for the first excited state electronic configuration, sigma 2, Psi1 1, Psi2 1, sigma star 0. 1,3-butadiene is 4n system. Now we are taking 4n plus 2 electron system, that is 1,3,5 hexa triene. It has 6 sp2 carbons, so therefore it will form 6 molecular orbitals. So we are discussing correlation diagram. These are the reactants molecular orbitals. These are product molecular orbitals. So we are discussing Kahn rotation. Therefore the symmetry element is C2. Total 6 molecular orbitals: Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, Psi4, Psi5, Psi6. Psi6 molecular orbital having 5 nodes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Psi4 having 4 nodes. Psi4 having 3 nodes. Psi3 having 2 nodes. Psi2 having 1 node. Psi1 having 0 node. Symmetry element: Psi1 for A, Psi2 for S, Psi3 for A, psi 4 for S, psi 5 for A, psi 6 for S. The symmetry correlation for the product side of molecular orbital, they maintain same symmetry element. You see the electronic configuration, psi 1 2 electrons, psi 2 has 2 electrons, psi 3 has 1 electron, psi 4 has 1 electron. When we give the energy to the ground state molecule, it excites to higher energy level. In the product side molecular orbital, they form sigma bond. In 135 hexatriene, they form one new sigma bond at the termini of the carbon. Sigma bond. Bonding molecular orbital, sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbital. Psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 and psi 4. These are the non-bonding molecular orbitals. Now you see the ground state configuration. Psi 1 has 2 electrons, psi 2 has 2 electrons, psi 3 has 1, psi 4 has 1. For the first excited state configuration, sigma bond 2 electrons, psi 1 2 electrons, psi 2 1 electron, psi 3 1 electron, psi 4 0, anti-bonding 0 for the sigma bond. The first excited state configuration, photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. Next, this mode of electrocyclization. In throughout the reaction, due to this mode, they have only mirror plane, that is sigma. It is also having 6 molecular orbitals, psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, psi 5, psi 6. Psi 1 for S, A, S, A, S, A. Alternatively, symmetry elements. And in the ground state electronic configuration, 2 electrons for psi 1, 2 electrons for psi 2, 2 electrons for psi 3. But product side molecular orbitals, it is sigma bonding molecular orbital, bonding interaction. It is psi 1 molecular orbital for the product side, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, sigma star, and a bonding molecular orbital for the sigma bond. So it is a correlation. They maintain same symmetry for the reactants and product. AASS. AASS. So it is the correlation diagrams for the conrotation and disrotation of the 4n and 4n plus 2 electron. The best examples are 1,3-butadiene and 1,35 hexatriene. The ground state configuration for the 1,35 hexatriene, psi 1 2, psi 2 2, psi 3 2, psi 4 0, psi 5 0, psi 6 0. For the ground state configuration, thermally allowed, photochemically forbidden. First excited state configuration, sigma 2, psi 1 2, psi 2 2, psi 3 0, psi 4 0, sigma star 0. Again we are writing the selection rules for the electrocyclization reactions of the 4n system, 4n plus 2 system. The Carr rotation for the 4n system thermally allowed, the disrotation photochemically allowed. For the 4n plus 2 system, disrotation is thermally allowed, conrotation is photochemically allowed. This is regarding these rotations of the electrocyclization for the correlation diagrams. Thank you.